Hey guys, and welcome back to another Hypixel API project video. In this video, we're going to be covering another small project that I did do on stream. So this is just a very simple quest scraper using the API that lists out all the possible rewards you can get from doing any quest on the network, and then all the possible objectives to complete these rewards, because different quest objects have rewards and they have objectives within them. That said, if you ever need help or don't understand anything in this is all going to be in GitHub repository, so you can take a look and you can build off it all you want. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. There's also the Discord you can find in the description, which you can go, and we have API and coding help channels, so you can go ahead and ask for help there. We have a lovely community, over 100 people now, which is just absolutely amazing, guys. And I'm sure we've got quite a few people who could help you no matter your time zone. That said, I'm going to get right into this. And so if you have any questions regarding Resources Quest Endpoint, I've already got a tutorial video on that in my Hypixel API tutorial video playlist. So you can go ahead and check that out to get yourself caught up if you're not familiar with the Quest Endpoint already. That said, dependencies, real quick, we're using async calls. That means we're using gRequests. If you haven't already watched my video on async calls in Python for the Hypixel API, you can go check that out also in the playlist video. We are obviously using Hypixel API, so we're going to be using JSON data format, which means we're importing JSON, and our basic URL is just api.hypixel.net/resources/quests. Very simple. Next up, we're initiating 3 different bins. This is going to be for putting or storing our quest list, or a list of all our quests, a list of all our possible rewards, and a list of all possible objectives. Then we're going to be doing our async call to the URL, and then we're going to be going through the response, and this is all basic stuff here, so I'm just going to speed through it here, but we're loading it with JSON, and then we're making sure that the API gave us success is true. Now that all that's done, we're getting into the real algorithm that's scraping the API. Now that we've got a response back. So this is going to go through all the game modes, because within data quest, if you guys remember from my tutorial video, it's a list of game modes. So we're going to go through all the game modes, and then in every game mode, we go to every quest within each game mode section. And then we add the name, description, and game mode to our quest list. So this is just a basic custom quest object that's just very bare bone, and we can go ahead and sort that and do all sorts of stuff with that if you want, but I'll leave that up to you. Next up, we have a little section here for sorting out the rewards. So for reward in quest rewards, if it's not already in our possible rewards, then add it. And then we're doing the exact same thing for objectives. So if the current any of the current objectives for this particular quest object that we're at aren't already in possible objectives, then append it. And I can go ahead and run this for you. So I'll show you guys in command prompt here. I will, there we go. We'll transition just like that. Now if we run hip quests, just like that, you can see the top one here. So the top one here is going to be the possible rewards. So this is a list of all rewards that you can get from any quest on the network. So we've got quite a few here. A lot of these are very notable. So we've got like a warlord section, which are like warlord specific currencies. We've got crazy wall specific currencies, sky clash specific currencies, pit gold, which is custom to the pit, sky war stuff, bed wars, arena brawl. We've got the classic coin reward, multiplied experience reward, multiplied coin reward. We've got mega wall stuff. So there's a lot of game mode specific stuff. However, I think a lot of them are fairly self-explanatory. And then for our 2 different objectives, we've got integer objectives and Boolean objectives. There are just no other objective types. These are usually, if it's a Boolean objective, so just like do something once. And then if it's an integer objective, then it's going to be like get 5 kills in this game or something. It's going to be get to a certain number of something, get to a certain X of Y to complete that given quest. Anyways, if you have any questions, as always, comment down below. You can join my Discord if you want more help, and then leave a like if you really learned anything or if you enjoyed anything in this video. I appreciate it so much. You guys have been going insane on the channel recently. And then subscribe if you want to stay up to date with all my tutorial videos, my walkthrough videos, my fun little projects, my everything really on the channel, because I've been doing so much stuff recently. So make sure you subscribe if you want to stay up to date with that. Turn on bell notifications if you want to come to the streams, which I know not everyone wants to come to the streams. But if you do want to get notifications as soon as I start streaming, turn on bell notifications so that you can be there right as they start and you don't miss out on any content. Anyways, that's been it for this Hypixel API project video.